Welcome to the tutorial where we look at the new features in Screen Monkey version 3.7. Macros were a new feature in the previous version of Screen Monkey, and in this version we've added to the number of macros available to allow you to control devices beyond the PC. So let me just take you through a couple of the new macros. The first one I'm going to look at is Lightwave RF. If you haven't come across Lightwave RF devices, they're basically wall dimmer switches or relays which you can control remotely via a Wi-Fi interface. So for example, you could set the lights to come on or fade up at certain points within your show. Another new one is the MIDI show control and the MIDI macros. These allow you to send MIDI commands as well as receive MIDI commands. Using MIDI show control, you can trigger cues to come up in a lighting desk, for example, and various other different controls which are all part of the MIDI protocol. And final two we're going to look at are the Triton routing switcher, and this is a video switcher, SDI router, which allows you to route video, and we can control the crosspoint selection within that router. And the ATEM production switcher, this allows you to connect to the Blackmagic ATEM switches and control certain functionalities such as select cut and select an input, select the preview, select fade to black, and I'm sure there'll be more commands added to this macro at a future date. We've made some big changes to the text clip to extend its capability. So I'm just going to add a text clip here. Now most of the changes are in the template editor. So if we select a template, and you'll see that there are a number of different objects that we can add in here. An image object, for example, let's just call this image 1, allows us to choose an image file to add into the thing, and you can then adjust its margins and lay it out as you need. We've also got a number of things. The text object is basically we can select a format to format text into. There should also be a text file here, which we can choose a standard text file. When the text changes in that text file, it will automatically update any changes on the screen. We also have a countdown clock, which counts down from a specific time and also counts down to a specific time. And you can change the formatting up here. And finally, schedule. What this allows you to do is to display the current scheduled clip items on the screen. So I just do OK on that. Now when you display scheduled items on the screen, there's a special field which allows you to set what those scheduled items are. So I'm just going to schedule a clip here to play, and you'll notice in the scheduler there's two new fields, title and description. These two fields correspond to fields which you can format into a text clip. So if I go back to the text clip and edit and select the scheduled items, here you'll see this certain fields, so title and description. These fields correspond to the fields which we just saw in the scheduler. So I could basically say next item is, and then put this token in here, which will mean that when we display that, that item will be displayed with next item is and then the title of your clip. There's various other features and changes to this which you can look up in the help file. A big time-saving feature of version 3.7 is the link edit tool. This allows you to quickly and easily set up clip links. So let's put it into link edit mode, up here in the top right, and you'll notice all the clips glow blue. Click on a clip to select the source clip, and then the source clip will be highlighted blue, and then right click to choose the links. This sets the link from the source clip. So we can set this one to at start and go OK. This means that this clip will start playing at the same time as this. We can also select at end, and this clip will start playing at the end of this clip. Once a clip is linked, it is highlighted in green, and the type of the link is put up here in the top of the clip. Once you've set up your clips, exit edit mode, and your clips will link as you've set them up. Clip templates allow you to take an existing clip and create a template which will allow you to create more clips with exactly the same settings. So for example, if we select this falling tunnel clip, I can go export clip template, and then you just give it a name. So standard video, for example. Now when I go to add a clip, I can select on the choose template, and you'll see your standard video templates here. I can go OK, and it will now prompt me to select a different video clip. Basically, your clip will be created with the same settings, but you can choose a different video file. So I can open that video file, for example. And now we've created an identical clip, except it's got different media. The clip templates are stored in your Documents library folder, so that you can easily grab them and export them to another computer. We're just going to take a look at a couple of new clips that we've added to Screen Monkey. The first one is the live audio clip. What this allows you to do is take an audio input to your PC and play it through Screen Monkey. So you might want to have some background music over some slides through the live input. And basically we add the clip, and it always plays on the audio layer. Click on the clip and the live audio will start outputting through Screen Monkey. Another new clip we've added is the live stream. The live stream takes a live video stream over the internet and plays it through Screen Monkey. So you basically put in the URL here, and I've just added this one here, and it will play a live stream from the internet.
When I go to UVA, I want to open.
The last thing we're going to look at is repair all clips. What this allows you to do is when you take a Screen Monkey show between two computers, it allows you to recursively search a specific directory for media clips which might be missing when you load a show onto a different computer. So if you right click on a clip and go to the file menu and then select repair all clips, it then gives you the option to choose a folder which you can then search for missing media.